What's up guys, I'm Giovanni. I drive a 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I've had this car for about 2.5 years now. I never really wanted to take it. At first I did take it to the car meets, but I decided not to. Once I started seeing all these builds, my love for the car community just grew. I decided to just stay low-key, and I figured this year would be my year. Coming out, I'm on D2 coilovers, got R1 concept motors. I'm on Otahan DSO1s. So far, it's looking good. I'm happy with the build, and it's going to continue. Here's the message out to those youngsters: take that criticism that you get, because I remember I used to get it a lot, and feed that to your build. Don't let anybody put you down because you got a car that's no one's worked on. You got a car that is just plain out ugly is what they call, or don't let anybody down you, you know? I got a lot of shit, not gonna lie, just for having this car, but I'm out here and I'm gonna make 2018 my year. Another thing, I just want to give a lot of credit to Midnight Motorsports and all the boys that are out there. They worked on my car. They made it possible. And a shout out to Origin Kuzoku. Hope to see you guys out there at the meet.